This Dorm Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Jayann Madden.
This beautifully kept and immaculate 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath low-maintenance home.
Full LG deck-off of the dining area and 3 suites.
2 LG walk-in closets. Separate living room and family room. Spacious kitchen west/eating bar.
LG master suite west/5-piece bath west/LG walk-in closet. Built in 2008, 2,200 square feet.
Ceiling fan.
Hoa takes care of front yard west/sprinkler sys. 2-car extra LG garage off of the alley.
Great convenient corner lot.
Close to school, shopping, I-5 and JBLM. It has a great floor plan and truly a better than new home. For more